Sorry po.
Pero lang yun.
Service by MJ. Good serve.
Ito yung mouse. Nice one, Chris!
Plus one. For Christian Custodio. Score. All two.
Lito yan, be.
Hindi na kita bibidyo.
Ang score?
All
Lobat ka na.
two.
Lobat ka na.
Service. Rabi is goal.
2-all.
Received by Domo. Set by Casey. Point by Dino. I love the attack of Dino. Score 3-2.
Ay, yan din.
Nandun lang.
Tingin-tingin na lang.
Habang
Service, JC.
Okay, later. Telegram ulit. Sarap.
Good receive by Jem. Pinalo ni Dobre.
Nice one! Eliza
Masko.
Valdez!
Score 3-all.
Pasok sa banga. Si
Pasok
Nomre.
na pasok. Nomre. Service.
Shoot na shoot.
Good serve. Nice receive.
Botted
Si Net
shot.
ni Casey.
Pinaganda mo
Pinalo
yung
ni
sis.
Dino. Good dig by Chris. Pinalo sa middle. Pagod na. Si Net. Pinalo ni Jeff.
Nice
Oh! Nice one, Jeff. Score 4-3.
Nice game po. Serving on the deck.
Good serve.
Good, good.
Nice reflex by Domo.
Yung bata!
Serving on the deck.
Nice reflex again by Domo. Pinalo ni Vincent. Oh,
Nice,
it's a
good,
pancake.
good.
Pinalo ni Jem.
Nice
Oh!
one!
Ang ganda ng rally, guys.
Nice pancake save.
Score 5-3.
Pancake reveal.
Nice one, Rafi.
Nice service by Christian Custodio.
Good receive, si Net ni Casey.
Nice
Nice
one,
one.
Kaloy!
He likes it.
Nice one, MJ. Wow.
Dino. Oh! Error by Nomre.
Nice try, Eliza Valdez.
Nice try by Eliza Valdez.
Score 5-4. Time check 8:43.
Hindi na tayo.
Hanggang alas 10 tayo.
Grabe naman. Last na kaya to. Gaga.
Oh, good!
Ay,
Ah,
touches!
4 touches.
Wala na.
4 touches po.
5-all.
Score 5-all. Now serving.
Sabay pa mo tayo.
Vincent, lakbay. Good
Nice one,
receive.
Jello.
Si Ned sa middle. Woo! Quick attack by Jello.
Tapat.
Score 6-5. Good serve. Oh. Score 6-all.
Pumali ba ito si ano? Sino man siya?
Sino ka man? Wala kayo.
Anong pangalan niya?
Aldrich siya. Ay, Aldrich.
Good receive. Si Ned kay Jem. Pinalo ni Jem.
Check
Oh,
ball.
check ball.
Check ball kay MJ.
Check by MJ. Bigyan ng green
Bigyan ng green
card.
card yan.
Ah,
Ano yan, be?
lewan eh.
Score 7-6.
Now serving.
Jello Capado.
Broken play.
Oh,
It's still
it's
broken.
not over.
Still broken.
Score 8-6.
So,
Serving by Zello.
Good receive by Dino. Si Net kay Domo ba? Masyadong mababa. Kahit mababa si Domo, mababa pa rin ang set. Score 9-6.
9,
Now
serving
serving
6.
again.
Service error. Score 9-7.
Now serving Domo.
Nice one, Eliza Valdez!
Eliza Valdez.
Pinalo ni Jem! Oh, dinig ni Vincent! Pinalo kung sino
Outside.
man, but it's outside.
There's no technique risk now for the
Mag-isisino ka man.
Score 10-7.
Nice choice by Christian Custodio.
Good serve. Good receive by Dino. Sinet ni Domo.
Drop.
Oh.
It's a good drop.
Best setter si Domo!
Score 9-8.
10-8.
10-8.
Stepping on the line.
Kinerma ka, oh.
Oy, sa inyo!
Okay.
Sa inyo, be!
Puntos para sa
Stepping.
Team Rabi. Our score 11-8.
Sa Trudy.
Service. Kapatid Nikla.
Oo.
Good serve. Sinet ni Domo. Sa setter din na si Casey. Dinig ni
Domo, crush mo.
Jello.
Kay Chris, malapit sa net.
Oh.
Net. Wala. Okay, walang net.
Wala siya, be. Huwag mo siyang i-judge.
Walang net. Score 12-8.
Baluin mo. Baluin mo later.
12-8.
Spank ni Daddy.
Now
Service.
serving Juan Junior.
Service. Error.
9-12.
Score 9-12.
Pag ito, wala ka pa rin.
Another junior. Sir,
Nagugulat ako kay MJ. Kala ko babaliin niya yung ano.
Broken play. Free ball.
si Net ni Domo hindi alam.
Domo. Nagulat si Domo. Center ba ako?
Ano kasi set na ganyan? Toss or underhand?
Score
13-9.
13-9. Rabi's goal is serving.
Nice one, Domo.
Pinalo. Oh, it's
It's a
a
block.
monster block by Chris Custodio.
It's a monster.
Score
Monster choke. Gago.
14-9.
Monster choke
Now
down.
serving, Rabi is goal. Si Net ni Domo sa setter din na si Casey. It's a point.
Nice,
Okay na, service ka.
nice one, Casey Galdones.
Service ka.
Score 10-14.
In favor of
Team Rabi.
Team Rabi! Service Casey. Good.
Nice one.
Nice one. Hello.
Junior.
15, serving, 10.
Nice block.
15-10.
Nice block from the service.
Tapusin mo na, Chris.
Now serving. Christian
Tapos na.
That
Custodio.
one, it's an error.
5-1.
Score 5-1. Jump serve by Vincent. Get ready for the
Get
jump
ready.
serve.
Best super jump serve, ah.
Bibigay kay Chris. Let's find out.
Oh, that is enough.
Bibigay. Kaso sobra.
16, serving 11.
6-1.
Jump serve.
Oh, another jump serve.
Wow, Eliza Valdez.
Eliza
Sorry.
Baldos.
Di po kaya ng jump serve daw.
Nice serve.
Si Net ni Domo kay Dino. Dino pinalo. Good dig by Chris. Good dig. Si Net ni Casey. Oh, good dig again by Chris. Si Net ni Domo. Ay, Domo.
Free
No.
ball.
Pinalo ni Dino.
Nice
Good
one,
dig
Eliza
by Eliza.
Valdez.
Si Net kay Jem.
Free ball. Bibigay.
Oh, no.
Drop ball.
Score 16-12.
In favor of
Team Rabi.
Nice one, Eliza Voldemort.
Alay sa Baltimore.
Good dig by Chris. Sinet ni Jello kay Jem.
Nice one, Jem!
Good. Jem.
Pwede sa Pro League.
7.
Score, 17-12.
Now serving.
Lumalamang po ang Team Rabi by 5 points. Cielo Cabado, service.
Receive. Over
Oh.
receive. Over receive again.
Sinet kay Vincent. Pinalo but it's an outside. Sorry Vincent. Score, 18.
Lord Pera.
18 ba?
Tama.
18-12.
Next game po, Team Sai versus
It's
Team Rami.
service is by Cielo Cabado.
Next game, Team Sai versus Team Rabi.
Get ready for the next game, Team Sai and Team
Oo,
Rabi.
tayo magkalaban.
Score 19-12. Set by Domo.
Alaysa!
Sorry, kinapos po si Alyssa Valdez.
Alaysa
Score
13.
19-13.
Now serving Domo.
Arigato.
Domo Arigato.
Arigato.
Pakli.
Nice one, Jem!
Nice receive by Jem. Sinet kay Jem. I-receive mo, paano mo?
Nice one.
Sige, magagawa kayo, sis.
Sinet kay Jem.
Next
Oh.
one!
Point to Jem.
Last one!
Nice adjust, Jem.
Sino nang susunod?
Score 20-13.
Sai.
Set point, Team Rabi. Pumasok.
Nice receive.
Sinet kay Casey.
block!
Block.
Nice game!
Next game, Team Sai versus Team N.
Nabidyo kayong black.
Di, parang